How to link Instagram account to Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your home page appears. Now at the bottom you can find different icons. Tap on this profile icon of yours given at the bottom right corner. Now your profile appears. At the top right corner you can find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Now go to the option of settings, open it. Now over here you will find this option of account center, tap on it. Now tap on this option of add Facebook account. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account as well. Now tap on continue. Tap on continue. Tap on add. Here you can see that I have linked my Instagram account with Facebook account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to link Instagram account to Facebook account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.